Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your Facebook profile into a page and some of the reasons why you should convert your Facebook profile into a page is that all the people or the friends you have on Facebook profile as your friends will be converted as your Facebook followers, of which you will start from the number you already have as friends. That is one reason. The other thing is, if you are a video creator, you know the minimum limit is 10,000 followers, so definitely you will have a chance of starting already somewhere and you'll be able to work on a few. So we shall now learn how to convert that profile into a page step by step. You will not miss anything. Only you have to watch this video up to the end. But before that, if you have not subscribed, please hit that button, subscribe. Also, you can share and you can also like this video. Thank you.
Now for those who are using a smartphone, let's get to our Facebook app. When you tap your app, so this is the interface of your or the front layer of your Facebook app. So but what you're going to do is you head straight to, first of all, one thing you must know is you don't just go to your Facebook app. First of all, you must be having your profile logged on to your Facebook app. So once you're logged on to your profile, you can go on follow the next step that I'm going to show you. So for example, this profile I have is called Test Origin, and already here I have my 2 friends so far in this. So once if this is converted, you know this is a fake account I've just created for this learning purposes. So now I'm going to convert it to a page. So you're going to head straight, tap these three lines. Once you tap that, you go down to help and support. Is actually the third last where there's a question mark, help and support. So once you tap that, there is a first one like something round of a ball, help center. So you tap on help center. Yes, that is it. Now when you get to this, you're going to touch this search box here, which is saying search. You tap that and you type in profile to page. Once you've touched that, it brings for you the options like profile to page convert. Either anyway you can touch, but we need the first one. You can tap on that. So the other one was like a query, you were searching for something. It has brought the Facebook answers here. How do I convert my profile to a Facebook page? So I think our best interest is the very first answer that has shown here. So you're going to tap on that. So once you tap on it, there it is. It has brought for us this, how do I convert my profile to a Facebook page? So you can be able to read all this if you have time, but actually our main interest is to convert your profile to a Facebook page. So you don't need to waste time much as reading all that. Anyway, all that could be very important, but this can be a straight thing. You come down, it says to convert. You see this area here. This is where our interest is. So to convert your profile to a Facebook page. So you tap on that. For the best interest, you need to watch this video in a full screen. That's when you can be able to miss some of the features and probably you will not be able to see something. So it's very important. Also, you need to subscribe to my channel for you to get more uploads that I always upload on this. So let's get started. So once it brings this, actually you're just a step away from getting done or converting your profile to a page. So here it shows us create a Facebook page based on your profile. So you've done great job building. So all of this you can be able to read them, but our interest is now what? Get started. So you tap on this blue and white font here, tap get started. So it tells you this may take 5 to 10 minutes. So you're going to wait for, depending on your network, actually that's what it does. So also, if you like this video, please, you need to share as we're waiting this. Share it and also comment in case there's anything you need to find out. So there it is. It's already done. Our profile has been already created. So we are just in the important next step. So you're going to say next And of course you can invite more friends, additional friends directly. Of course this will be adding on top of what you already have. So you invite your other people to like your page. There are also other things here like welcome post. You can post on that. Also connect to WhatsApp. You can connect. Also you add a page button. All these are set up things. But let's start with invitation. So you tap on that and you tap on a few people. You can tap on those few friends and make them what? Your followers. So you can send invites. Then you can go on and create welcome post if you have. Then you can just say, hey guys, I am now a page. This is funny. You can just tap that. Then you can go on and say I think that's that. So we can go back and hey guys, sorry, this is typo things. Hey guys, I am now a page. Good, that's what we need. So you can put your things, blah blah blah, all those things you can do out with them. So you can decide to add a photo, maybe the particular photo of yours like this or anything. All those things are there. So you tap in that, then you say share. So once you tap on share, either newsfeed, boost your post, there it is. We're done with that. So we can move to the next, connect to WhatsApp, and also add a button. You can add a button. Which button do you want to add? Tap on add button and you choose. If it is a business, you say book now, shop now, whatever. So call now if one guys call you, or sign up if you have a website, send a mail, send a message, WhatsApp, follow. So the key button is follow. So you create, there it is. So your profile or your page is now converted into a profile. You can see this. You can go on other setup things, or you come here, add your things, create a story, follow button is working, and everything is working. So this is a page now. When you go back and check out on your page, keep on going back. So if you come now these three dots, you'll realize that your profile is in there. If you come and check on your pages around here, you see you already have one page. So that is what you're going to do. Thank you very much for watching, and I would be very grateful if you subscribe after this video.